how we're going to break it all down. First, we'll talk about what makes these neighborhoods hidden treasures to begin with. Then, we're going to explore three totally different kinds of opportunities: the secluded luxury havens, where privacy is the ultimate asset; the rising lifestyle hubs, where culture and development are about to collide; and the smart money corridors, which are just built for access and appreciation. And at the end, I'll give you the ultimate takeaway to help guide your next move. So first up are hidden treasures. What is it that ties every single neighborhood on our list together? Well, it's a unique pattern of predictable growth. It's driven by things like very limited inventory, new tech infrastructure, top-tier schools, and of course that undeniable California lifestyle appeal. These are the fundamentals that create real, lasting value. Let's start with our first category. These are the neighborhoods that aren't even trying to be the next big thing, because they already are, just without all the noise. Their value is rooted in something you just can't build more of: privacy, exclusivity, and a very finite supply of land. This is where long-term value is quietly being built. First on our list is La Saba Beach. I honestly consider this the ultimate whisper list in town in the entire county. It's tucked away between the better-known spots of Aptos and Watsonville, and this unincorporated enclave, it just feels a world away from the hustle. Think of it like all the serene coastal beauty of Big Sur, but without a single tour bus in sight. Now, what's so fascinating here is this idea of scarcity by design. Because of strict county zoning laws, there's virtually zero new land available for development. This wasn't an accident. It's totally intentional, and it creates a powerful economic moat around the whole community. Now, when you combine that ironclad scarcity with exclusive private beach access for residents only, you have an incredible driver of value. Then you add in a great school, one that's consistently ranked in the top 20% statewide, and a totally manageable commute to Silicon Valley. You start to see why this isn't just a location, it's a premium, long-hold asset. And this number right here, this proves the point perfectly. A nearly 5% year-over-year jump in median home value, even in a shifting market, confirms the entire thesis. This isn't that crazy, speculative growth that can just disappear overnight. No, this is the steady, reliable appreciation that comes from true, unshakable demand for something that is very limited and highly desirable. Okay, let's move to our second haven. Welcome to Day Valley. You know, the local joke is that Day Valley is where you move when you've already made it, but you have absolutely no interest in letting anyone else know it. It's success without the spotlight, located just a bit inland from Aptos. So the crucial point here is that Day Valley offers what is quickly becoming the rarest luxury of all: space. I mean, we're talking about gorgeous 5 to 10 acre parcels, a lot of them nestled in these beautiful, serene redwood groves. For years, the trade-off for that kind of privacy was terrible connectivity. Not anymore. Recent infrastructure upgrades, including new fiber optic networks, have made this a total haven for high-level tech executives who want that true rural calm without sacrificing a millisecond of productivity. You're just 15 minutes from the beach, but with the amazing forest of Nassim Marks as your backyard. It's the best of both worlds, totally unlocked. And right here, this is the opportunity. Even though it offers more space and more privacy, homes here are still trading at a huge discount. We're talking as much as 25% cheaper per square foot than comparable properties in the nearby Aptos Hills. This is what we call a value gap. It's an inefficiency in the market, and it's a flashing green light to investors that this price difference is not going to last long, especially as infrastructure gets better and demand keeps rising. Our final secluded haven is Bonnie Doon, a truly unique mountain-neat sea retreat perched high above the city of Santa Cruz. This area has a tiny population of only about 3,000 people, so it offers a level of privacy that's almost impossible to find anywhere on the California coast. And right now, it's going through a quiet but very powerful renaissance. After the CZU fire back in 2020, the rebuilding effort has brought in this new wave of modern, fire-resistant, and architecturally stunning homes. And that has attracted a whole new demographic: remote professionals, artists, families, all drawn to the solitude, the clean air, and the focus on sustainability. With an elite school, renowned wineries at your doorstep, and prices that are still well below the coastal strip just a few miles away, Bonnie Doon really represents the new California dream, a perfect balance of nature, safety, and smart value. So as we hit the halfway mark here, the theme is just undeniable. The most powerful opportunities, they aren't in the places everyone is already talking about. They're in the communities that offer something unique, something defensible. And hey, if you're finding this deep dive valuable, do me a quick favor and take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. It really is a huge help for us. And don't forget to check out those links in the description. If you're thinking about buying or selling, my team can connect you with a top agent right in your area. Or if you're in need of life insurance, we can help with that too, anywhere nationwide. Okay, let's get back to it and dive into our next category. All right, let's shift gears. Now we're going to talk about our second category, the rising lifestyle hubs. These are the neighborhoods where you can literally feel the energy. They are the epicenters where community, culture, and new development are all coming together to create this wave of explosive potential that's really just beginning to build. Kicking off this section is Live Oak and its iconic neighbor, Pleasure Point. This area is, without a doubt, the beating heart of Santa Cruz surf culture, but it's so much more than that. It's one of the most undervalued true lifestyle zones on the entire California coast, and believe me, it is on the cusp of a major game-changing transformation. What's happening here is so critical to understand. A massive redevelopment wave is on the horizon, with new mixed-use housing projects and an expansion of boutique retail. The vibe is often described as Venice Beach meets local charm, and that unique blend is attracting a huge surge of Bay Area expats. But the key is that prices are still about 10 to 15% below the more established and way more expensive west side of Santa Cruz. This presents a very clear window of opportunity before this area fully transforms into a thriving, walkable urban coastal hub. Next up is SoCal, a place that for years was just seen as a quiet little sleeper village, totally overshadowed by its famous neighbor, Capitola. Well, not anymore. SoCal was leveraging its boutique small-town soul and combining it with smart new developments that are creating some serious, tangible upside. The formula here is just so compelling. You've got the irreplaceable charm of its town center, filled with antique shops and cafes, plus a top-rated school that makes it a magnet for families. Add in some forward-thinking, walkable neighborhood planning and its strategic location, and you see SoCal emerging as this mini tech and culture corridor. And the proof? Real estate appreciation here has already started to outpace the county average, and all signs indicate that it's just the beginning of that climb. Our final rising hub is a water lover's paradise, Twin Lakes. It's perfectly positioned between the bustle of the Seabright neighborhood and the cool of Pleasure Point, and this neighborhood offers a unique waterfront lifestyle that is, believe it or not, surprisingly accessible. It's a prime spot for both full-time residents and for investors eyeing that lucrative short-term rental market. And this number says it all. You get direct harbor access, a lifestyle where you can walk to the beach every single day, and homes that are on average a staggering 35% cheaper than comparable waterfront listings in nearby Capitola. Residents call it Santa Cruz without the chaos. With great schools and easy access to everything, it's no surprise it's been ranked as one of the top 5 best places to live in the entire county. This is a value proposition that is just too big to ignore for long. Okay, let's move to our final group of neighborhoods. We call these the smart money corridors. These are the strategic plays for commuters, for families, and for long-term investors who really get that the greatest value often lies in connectivity, top-tier public services, and just pure, simple accessibility. We'll begin with what was once the best-kept secret for Bay Area commuters, Scotts Valley. Well, that secret is officially out. With its outstanding schools, low crime rate, and its perfect position right at the top of Highway 17, Scotts Valley is now absolutely exploding as Santa Cruz County's official tech bedroom community. And this chart just lays out the powerful financial logic here. The median home price in Scotts Valley is hovering around $1.4 million. That same home, in terms of size, quality, school district, would easily cost over $2.5 million in the heart of Silicon Valley, which is just a 20-minute drive over the hill. Tech workers are making this move in droves, cashing in on that value to get a better lifestyle, more space, and a real sense of community, all while banking the million-dollar difference. All right, number 8 is a true insider's play. Everybody knows Passe a Tiempo for its legendary golf course. It's a prestigious, world-famous address, no doubt. But the smart money, they know to look just next door to the secluded enclave of Woods Cove. This is a private luxury micro-market with these stunning architectural homes and its own exclusive zoning. As the county's housing supply crunch gets tighter and tighter, these incredibly limited private parcels are just poised for significant long-term appreciation, totally away from the public eye. Finally, let's quickly look at 2 overlooked corners just brimming with potential. First, number 9, Riverview Terrace in Capitola. So often buyers get fixated on the beachfront properties and they miss this gem completely, which is a huge mistake. Here you get that amazing walkability to the village, the restaurants, the river, without the massive premium price tag of being right on the sand. It's the lifestyle without the tourist level cost. And our final pick, number 10, is Corralitos. This is the county's agricultural heartland, and it's now transforming into a luxury countryside destination. As buyers get priced out of Aptos and La Selva, they are heading here for vineyard estates and equestrian properties, driving what we project to be sustained double-digit appreciation. So, let's bring it all together. What this entire analysis really shows is that Santa Cruz County is so much more than just a world-famous beach town. It is a diverse portfolio of strategic real estate assets. From the guarded scarcity of La Selva Beach to the commuter-driven boom in Scotts Valley, there are distinct and powerful opportunities for pretty much every type of investor and home buyer. This slide right here, this is your ultimate takeaway. This is the map. You can see each of our 10 hidden gems, its primary vibe, and the single most important investment driver behind its growth potential. La Selva Beach is driven by scarcity. Day Valley, that value gap. Live Oak, the coming redevelopment wave. Scotts Valley, the tech commute. I would seriously recommend you pause and screenshot this because it's a clear, concise guide to where the smart money is heading in Santa Cruz County. The data is clear, the patterns are emerging, and the opportunities are sitting right in front of you. If you thought you missed the boat on California real estate, think again. The real gold is just off the beaten path. So the only question left is, now that you have the map, which treasure will you uncover? Let me know your top pick in the comments below. And one last time, if you enjoyed this explainer, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It truly helps the channel grow. And be sure to check out the links in the description. If you're seriously considering buying or selling, we can connect you with a top-tier agent in your target area. And if you need to protect your family with life insurance, my team and I can help you find the right policy anywhere in the country. Thanks for watching.